Hello, happy friends. Before we taught you how to solve using order of operations the old-fashioned way, and that is still a very awesome way to do it, but we also have the fantastic Desmos calculator. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, let me tell you that this division line here, we're going to go ahead and make that a division line in Desmos. So we're going to put in the numerator first, which is 52 minus, then we're going to go to absolute value, which is right there. Put in 25 minus 18, and we're going to close that absolute value. And that's my numerator, and I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and then I'm going to put in my denominator, which is the bottom half of the fraction, 9 minus 3. So that gives us an answer of 45 over 6. Okay, so if you want to, you can go ahead and make that a decimal and do 45 minus 6 equals, or excuse me, divided by, and you get 7.5. So you can have your answer as a decimal or as a fraction. Of course, if you've got a fraction, then you need to check and see whether or not it simplifies. So let's go ahead and look at that. So I'm going to go to my next line once I get back to my calculator, and I'm going to put in 45 divided by x, trust me on this, and then I'm going to put in my denominator 6 divided by x. And I'm going to go to my next line, and I'm going to see if I can divide those numbers by anything. So since we've got a 6, let's try 6. Nope, that gave me a decimal, so that didn't work. Let's back up and try 3. Ah, look at that. If you divide both of those by 3, you get a 15 over 2. So your simplified fraction would have been 15 over 2. And let's see if I can come over here and write that down. So this would have been 15 over 2. So there were a lot of different things I did there. Just look back at your calculator and you'll be able to figure it out. The first thing I did was put the numerator in, got 45, put the denominator in, got 6. I went ahead and divided them, got a decimal. Then I thought, well, if they want a simplified fraction, I know how to do that too. I put in the 45, the numerator divided by x, and the denominator divided by x. And then I tried x's until I found a number that goes into both and leaves me no decimals, which was 15 over 2. So that's how you do it with Desmos.